Hello everyone, today let's build a simple YouTube channel recommendation system. For that, first I'm importing pandas as PD, then I'm importing the pickle file. This pickle file is optional. This is for load our data frame as a pickle file. Then I'm creating a data frame variable where I'm calling my pandas.readcsv method, and in this readcsv method I'm passing the data slash youtube.csv because my youtube.csv file inside on this data folder. If you can see in here, I'm just creating a folder called data frame, and then inside here you can see my youtube.csv file. Finally, I'm just run this command dataframe.head. Right now my data frame has rank column, name of channel column, total number of videos column, subscriber, views, and category column. Like right now we have 6 columns and 4 rows. But if you can see my entire data frame rows and columns, you can simply run this command, which is called dataframe.shape. It will automatically give you the rows and columns in this data frame. So right now we have 500 rows and 6 columns. Now we have to check that if our data frame contains any null values or not. So for that, I'm using dataframe.isNull.sum. It will give us the null values of our data frame if we have. So you can see the name of the channel have 7 null values and the category has 8 null values. Now we have to remove all the null values from our data frame because this is the important part of our data cleaning. So for now, I'm reassign my values. Data frame equals to dataframe.dropNA. It will automatically remove all the null values from our data frame. Now we simply check that again by using the dataframe.isNull.sum method to check if our data frame has any null values or not. So you can see right now we don't have any null values because right now we all removed the drop NA values here. Now we need category and name of channel columns, which will be used to similarize for our YouTube channel recommendation system. So first we are creating a new data frame which is called filter data frame, where we are taking our existing data frame column names. We need rank column, name of channel column, views column, and category column. And now I'm just printing this column by using the filter data frame.head, and I'm printing the 12 rows here. So you can see we need the rank, the first rank, the name of the channel of Mr. Beast, and the views is 50.98 billion, and the category was entertainment. Now move to the second part, which is called feature extraction. For that, I'm using scikit-learn. From scikit-learn.featureextraction.text, we are importing the count vectorizer. You can also import the tf vectorizer ID. And now initialize the count vectorizer object. For that, I'm using vectorizer as a variable. Then I'm passing the count vectorizer, and I'm passing 2 parameters. One is max features, which is 10,000, and I'm using the stop words English. Now transform the text data into a bag of words representation. For that, I'm creating a new variable called vectorized data, where I'm taking our vectorizer and feed the transform by passing the filter data frame category, and we taking all the category values as type a Unicode to array. Now we are just printing the vectorizer data. You can see this is a array format of vectorizer data. Now move to the third part, which is cosine similarity. From scikit-learn.metrics pairwise, we are importing the cosine similarity. Then we are creating a new variable called similar channels, where we taking our cosine similarity and passing the vectorized data which we created before. And now we are just printing all the similar channels vectorized data here. This is an array format data. Now we are creating a filter data frame where we passing our filter data frame name of channel to test our similarity function is working or not. So for now, I'm taking as an example of PewDiePie, and I want to see that it gives me the correct row or not. You can see it gave me the correct row of the rank and the name of the channel, views, and the category. Now get the sorted cosine distance for the row. For that, we are making the distance, and we sorted the list of enumerate similar channels. We are passing a random index here. For now, I'm passing the one number index. If you scroll above, you can see the one number index mentioning T series, and T series category is music. So it will give us the similar related channel, like music related channel. So I'm passing the similar channels, which is 1, and reverse will be true, key will be lambda, and vector will be vector1. Now we print the titles of the top 5 most similar channels for I in distance of 1 to 6, because we are taking the top 5 similar channels here. So now we are printing the filter data frame.ilog. This is a pandas method, and we passing the index like distance here, and we taking the 0 number index dot name of the channel. So it will give us the 5 recommendation channel based on the category. So we can see we are taking T series, and it give us that 5 recommended channel. One is Z Music Company, Blackpink. Now finally we are creating our recommend function. For that, I'm creating a function called recommend and passing the channel name. Inside here, for better understanding, I'm just adding a comment that recommend similar channels based on the input channel which we given, and parameters will be a channel list, the name of the YouTube channel for which recommendations are requested. Returns none, print the channel name of similar YouTube channel. Now we are implementing the recommendation logic here. Find the index of the input channel from the data frame. For that, I'm creating a variable called index, and then I'm passing our filter data frame, and inside here we also call again our filter data frame name of the channel, and same thing, we are calling our channel name dynamically and taking the index number here. Finally, we calculate the cosine similarity of the input channel with all other channels. For that, I'm creating a variable called distance and sorted the list of enumerate similar channels and passing the index here, that reverse will be true, key will be lambda, vector will be vector1. Now for I in distance 1 colon 6, we are printing the 5 recommendation channel here, so that we are using print filter data frame dot ilog I0 dot name of channel. It will print the 5 recommended channel for us. Now we are just calling our recommended function and passing the name. This is the name of the channel. For now, this gold mines movie channel, and it will give us the 5 recommendation movies channel here. So you can see movie clips, Shemaru, Shorts Break, Mr. Bean, Anaya Khandal. Those 5 are recommended YouTube channels.